Fusion 360 is easy to learn. Opening Fusion 360, press the Windows key on your keyboard and then start typing FUS, and Fusion 360, the app, should come to the top of the menu. Click that to open Fusion 360. You will need to have your Autodesk account on hand. If you don't have an Autodesk account, you will need to create one in order to be able to use Fusion 360. Log in to your account by typing your email address and hitting Next. Enter your password and then click Sign In. Fusion 360 is a cloud-based app, and because of this, all of your documents will be saved in the cloud. You can access previously designed documents using this window over here, which will open on Start.